Namaskar, greetings and gratitude. I welcome you all to another inspirational Star Talks. This time it is episode number 130 and we are celebrating month of Women's Day. I welcome you Dr. Sugita to the inspirational Star Talks. How are you doing?
Hi, thank you so much, Preeti ma'am, for inviting me here. It's an honor to be on your podcast, and definitely, I'm lucky that I am coming on in the month of March, and it's Women's Day is nearing. I'm blessed.
Yeah, thank you. I'm honored. Thank you. Dr. Sugita Mutreja is a distinguished Indian diet and nutrition specialist with over 17 years of experience in providing healthcare services. Besides being an eminent name in the field of diet and nutrition, Dr. Sugita brings with her vast knowledge in Indian Ayurvedic medicine, which is the oldest medicine system in the world. Her experience in providing diet-based solutions have been instrumental in guiding healthy lifestyles to a large number of clients, not only in India, but in USA, UK, and Australia also. This is so wonderful. Her scientific and Ayurvedic diet based treatment obviates the need for taking medicines with probable side effects. Dr. Sugita is an eminent speaker in various health related workshops and conferences, advocating use of healthy means to maintaining a good lifestyle. I welcome you again, Dr. Sugita.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I really want to know, how do you describe a healthy person?
Of course, when we will be talking about ill health or the diseases, firstly, we have to know what is health because then only you can differentiate between the right and the wrong. So, as per WHO's recommendation or the definition given by WHO, a healthy person is a person who is having a complete physical, mental, and social well being, right? So, there are three things which should be in complete momentum or the complete and balance with each other. But in Ayurveda, we believe there's one more thing. Ayurveda gave this definition 5,000 years back, and Ayurveda believes that there is one more thing, that is the spiritual well being, like how the person is believing or how the soul of the person is also there. So, Ayurveda sets that. Body, physical body, mental body, and the आपका social well-being and the spiritual well-being. That's also equally important. So in medical fraternity, what they tell us, we will not be discussing the spiritual or the social well-being part, of course, but will be targeting the physical part. So as per the modern faculty or the guidelines given by the modern, it is said if you have few signs and symptoms, they tell you that you are a healthy person. It's not just about BMI. Sometimes people they are thin but they are from inside, so they are called skinny fat people, right? They have lot of visceral fat inside their body, so they are not healthy people. So for being a healthy person, there are few signs which people can correlate if they are getting these things. Firstly, if they are getting up rested, when they wake up in the morning, if they feel very fresh, they are not lethargic, they don't want to sleep more, without alarm clock they are getting up, so that means that person has slept well and that person is a healthy person. That's the first thing you have to see if you are a healthy person. Secondly, you should have your motions within 15 to 20 minutes without any laxative, without any external thing being taken, enema or something. That is the another golden thing which you should keep in mind. And you should have a very evacuated feeling. Sometimes people they go to the loo, they pass the motions, but they don't feel evacuated. That's the thing which I'm seeing in my practice nowadays. So that's also important, that you're feeling very light on your stomach. That's, yeah, I'm done, I'm clean. So
Wonderful. Mhm. Yeah.
so that's the thing. And there, one more important thing is that the person should heal very quickly. If by any chance the person gets ill or gets an injury, so the injury or the healing should be a quick process. So because body knows how to heal itself. So if the mechanism is right and the person is healthy, the person will heal quickly. So these are the few things which you should see if you are a healthy person. Rest, there are many things about your urine, about your skin, about your hair. So there are n number of things, but the primarily these three things should be taken care of.
Wonderful. Nice. Nicely explained. Thank you. Thank you. And what are the lifestyle disorders? Why are they increasing to an epidemic proportion?
Right, ma'am. You said it is lifestyle disorder. So the word itself explains that it is a problem with the lifestyle of the people. So these are the diseases caused uh, by having bad choices in your lifestyle. So these things happen when we wrongly eat, or we don't sleep properly, or we don't manage stress. So these are the three things which make your lifestyle: how you eat, how you sleep, and how you move, and how you manage your stress. So these are the things which describe that this is the set thing, and you should be following these things properly. You should not be abusing your body. If we are torturing or abusing our body, not following these norms, going against the nature, if we are not following the sync which nature has given us, that we have to sleep at night, get up in the morning, that we are basically moving against the nature. If you move against anything which is force, so you will be breaking. So that is how we are getting these lifestyle disorders. Because in the modern era, you know that this is a very fast paced life nowadays. It's all aggravating your stress, aggravating your uh, air imbalance in the body, stimulating you a lot. So these things are creating toxins at the micro level. So they cannot be seen immediately. This is over a period of time, over a period of bad habits, that you develop lifestyle disorders. So this is kind of a thing which is in epidemic today, because we are not taking care of our body, of our mind, of our senses, and we are going against the nature. That's why we are having these lifestyle disorders.
Absolutely, absolutely. Correctly said. Yes, we must be conscious about the body needs as well. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. Uh, how can we keep all this away? How can we prevent all this?
Right. So basically, these lifestyle disorders. So I'll give you a few examples of lifestyle disorders, right? So then people can relate more easily. So primarily, it is more of obesity, and I usually say obesity is the mother of other diseases. So diabetes, cholesterol, BP, and your PCOD, it's an epidemic today. Thyroid, every nook and corner, there is another fertility clinic happening. So when we were young, it was not so common. You can also relate that fertility was never an issue, right? And now it is there. It is because of these bad choices which people are making, right? The ultra processed foods, refined foods, and a lot of sugary foods, packet foods, sedentary lifestyle. So these are the root cause of lifestyle disorders like these, which I have already said, the diabetes and all that. And you asked me, like, what is the ways we can?
How can we prevent it? Yes.
Yes, we can prevent these things. So, of course, simple rule is that what we are doing, we have to do the opposite. We are doing
Absolutely.
wrong, so we have to do right.
Right.
So, three basic things which I can suggest for everybody is first that you have to take care of your food, and second is your sleep, and third is your behavior or vihar. Ayurveda believes that there are three pillars of life. First is your ahar, second is your brahmacharya, that is your acharan, and not the celibacy, the acharan, and the third is your nidra. So if it is a tripod, so you can see it's a tripod. If one of the leg breaks, they are equally important. People are neglecting sleep like anything. So, of course, the body is going to fall or will be having a breakdown. So, we have to take care of these three things: your food, your sleep, and your the way you live, how you move, how you manage your behavior. That's very important to have a good life and keep these lifestyle disorders at a bay. But we can discuss these in parts and in the details about the food, about the sleep. We can do that, right? So, first
Wonderful.
of uh,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. Continue, please. Thank you.
Right. So, first of all, let's discuss about the primary thing, that is food. So, food. Everybody's in a hurry. Packet foods are on their shelves, right? So you see, if the packaged foods is staying on the shelf for so long, isn't it going to stay in your system for so long? It can create havoc with your system. Those chemicals, those micro things which are added to increase the shelf life can cause damage to your system. So you have to eat food which is real food. The food is not missing. We are overnourished, we are
Uh,
overfed, right?
yes.
Yes, but we are not taking the real food which is helping us. So we are
Mm,
just moving away from the nature.
mm,
So the food which looks like food should be in our plate, like fruits, vegetables. Not the some people, they come to me that they have made food for 1 week at a stretch. If it does not have the vitality, how is it going to provide vitality to you? So that's the way how you should take care of your food.
mm. Fresh food is important. Mm,
Fresh
yes.
food is important. Balanced diet is extremely important. So
Okay.
your diet should have all the minerals like proteins, carbs, fats. People are really scared of fats nowadays. People are scared of carbs. So that is not the right thing. I always tell people, like, you suppose your body is like a car or a machine. So fuel is equally important and the repairing is also equally important. Carbs are the energy giving food groups. Everybody knows that. They provide us energy and उससे हमें energy मिलता है. It gives us quick. So whenever we are feeling low, whenever we are feeling anxiety, stress, why do we run towards sugar cravings? Sugar cravings, when they are happening, your body is in a little bit of imbalance. It is not just the loss of willpower, it is your imbalance. Your body is it is just whispering to you and telling you that there is a change, you need to go towards real food. But of course, since the sugar balances the air or the anxiety, so people go towards these fast acting food groups like maybe a chocolate, maybe a sweet, maybe ice cream. So that is how they calm themselves, but they are creating more imbalance. So you should not be frightened of carbs, but the carbs should be of very good quality. Like they should not be refined foods. Always stay away from the foods which are refined. Refined oils, stay away. Refined carbs, stay away. Refined processed maida, suji, and आपका the mayonnaise, cheese, whatever is processed and whatever is refined. So you should be staying away. And you can include whole wheats, rice, barley, jawar, bajra, ragi, nachni, sorghum, everything can be included, and they can give you a lot of variety, lot of antioxidants. So they will be nourishing your body with the carbs. Now let's come to proteins. So they are the building parts, building blocks. You know that everybody knows. So that nowadays there is a protein hype created in the social media. So people are just running towards proteins, 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 and they are neglecting the carbs. Of course, these things will, this is a fad. I always say these are fads. These are fancy things, they come and they go. But the thing which sustains is what traditionally you've been eating. So that's the right thing, always will be the right thing. So proteins have to be there, legumes must in your diet. If you are a non-vegetarian, of course, you can include egg, chicken, uh, the fish. And for vegetarians, it can be paneer, it can be soy, it can be tofu, it can be legumes. So that is the thing. And in there's one more thing which I would like to emphasize. Since people are focusing too much of proteins in vegetarians, I have seen that what they are doing is they are running towards the supplements, but they are avoiding the carbs. So there is a thing that if you are having a complete food as the traditional like dal roti or dal chawal, so it completes the amino acid profile. So there is nothing missing, then it's a combination. So that is the reason that we were taking a lot of combined food by our parents. There is always idli sambar, there is always curry and chawal, like rajma chawal, right? Khichdi has dal and rice. So it completes the profile. So then, if you are taking this, then you will not be missing. And the next thing is your fats, healthy fats. You the sources are desi ghee, very, now the things are like little easing for desi ghee. People are now like again moving back to desi ghee. But there was a time when people were like too much against it. But now the studies have come from the West, so now they are accepting it. So it's always there when the things they go back to the West, come back to us, and then they say, no, it's fine now. So you would be surprised to know that West has patented turmeric, our hub. So they have, yes. So now we know that it is so important, and we can include, of course, the nuts, almonds, आपका walnuts, आपका hazelnuts और pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. And हम लोग के पंजीरी में हमेशा मम्मी या फिर दादी आपके 5 मगज डालते थे, है ना? वो 5 तरह के सीड्स का मिक्सचर रहता था. So
बिल्कुल, हाँ।
although they were not having logic,
हुँ,
but they were very right.
हाँ, there was always science behind. Yes, absolutely,
Right.
absolutely. Correct, correct.
So we're done with proteins, we're done with carbs, we're done with the fats. And another important thing that is extremely important is your fiber content. At least 25 to 30 grams of fiber should be in your diet. बेसिक भाषा में बोले तो फाइबर वर्क्स एज अ झाड़ू. It cleanses your system, right? So because वो इसका fiber रहता है, तो it keeps on
Hmm.
it a food,
हाँ, it's
right?
important, हाँ.
It's very important. So fiber
Hmm.
is extremely important. So you can
Okay.
get the fiber from fruits, vegetables, and of course there cannot be sufficient fiber without the carbs. So jawar, bajra, they should be in your diet because they give you dense carbs.
Okay. All right.
So they are extremely important.
Bajra you can have only in the winter season, right?
Of course, ma'am, it's a slightly hot fancy food, so
Hot.
only people can
Mm.
take it in the extreme winters. And
Yeah.
if you have a body type which is like a heating body type, pitta body type, then of
Mm.
course very moderate amounts of bajra should be in your diet.
All right. Okay. Okay. In the summers, you prefer jawar,
Barley,
barley.
barley,
Yeah.
jaw. Jaw is the
Jawar.
best.
Mm.
Jawar is a little neutral.
Okay.
So
Okay.
sorghum is little neutral. It does not cause too much of the heat. It doesn't cool your system too much. It's
Mhm.
normal, neutral. Everybody can have it,
You can get
right?
it easily in the market.
Of course, ma'am, it is available everywhere. It is now with the
Mhm.
millets year went by with the
Yes, yes. With the coming of
so it
millets,
was
yes.
the year of millets. So it's now everybody knows about the millets, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Right.
Correct.
So this is the way we can include a good diet and keep these lifestyle disorders at a bay. So, so if you have a healthy lifestyle, food is done, and the next is like हमारा second pillar था sleep.
Sleep, right.
So sleep is extremely important. हम लोगों ने neglect कर दिया. मैं हमेशा यही बोलती हूँ कि भगवान ने रात बनाई थी सोने के लिए, हमने लाइट्स दे दी,
Uh,
हमने
so,
लाइट्स दे दी.
so 7 to 8 hours is enough.
Yes, ma'am. 7 to 8 hours is perfect sleep for a person, but here is a glitch. People sleep 7 to 8 hours, but they are not sleeping in sync with the nature. So they are not sleeping at night. Sleeping at night is extremely important. If you are sleeping between 10 p.m. to 4 p.m., 4 a.m., sorry, 10 p.m. to 4 a.m., at that time, the body goes in the repair mode because there are certain hormones which are, this is like proven, which are released at the night time only. There is a melatonin hormone which is released at that time, and it is an anti-cancer hormone. If you are sleeping 7 to 8 hours, fine. But if you're not sleeping at the night time and everything is closing when the nature is shut down, right? So it's not going to help you. So
Yes.
basically, that will be just resting. 7 to 8 hours sleep is resting if you're sleeping any time of the day. But if you're sleeping at the night, then it is the repair is happening. There is a thing called lymphatics. That is your
Okay.
brain. There is one lymphatic system which detoxes our body, but there is a
Okay.
certain thing which in the brain also. So it's
Mm-hmm.
like cleanses your system and you go in the deep sleep.
All right.
So that is the reason people are having Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. So there are few things or the few toxins which get accumulated when you're not sleeping properly. So that's the way how Nidra or the sleep works.
Wonderful, wonderful. Absolutely. So
And
sleeping at the right time is important.
राइट टाइम इज आजकल के बच्चे कैसे करते हैं ना मैम पूरी रात जागते हैं
हम्म,
सवेरे
हाँ,
सोते हैं
दिन में सोते हैं, राइट, राइट,
हाँ
राइट।
मैम यही चीज ना इज क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम ठीक है दैट इज वाई ये लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर्स इतने ज्यादा बढ़ गए हैं
बढ़ गए, राइट,
बट
राइट।
और तीसरा हमारा जो पिलर था दैट वाज हमारा आचरण और द बिहेवियर इसमें
हम्म,
आता है हाउ वी मूव सो
हम्म,
आपका बॉडी कितना एक्टिव होना चाहिए, वर्कआउट कितना होना चाहिए, एक्सरसाइजेस कितना होना चाहिए, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट।
important. Okay, all right.
राइट, सो हेल्थ is
Hmm.
based on these three pillars in the nutshell. So take care of all these three things.
And ma'am, which is that, doctor, please tell me, which is that one food that shocks people?
Shocks people in the sense that, like you want to say, it is
That,
considered a healthy food,
yes, but it isn't.
but it is a myth
Hmm.
that it is a healthy food.
Yeah, yeah.
I would say the trophy goes to fruit juices.
Right. Many sweeteners are added to it. Yes.
Not even if the sweeteners are not added on, the fruit sugar, the fructose. is squeezed in a glass. We eat fruits for their antioxidant properties. But if it is the structure is broken, right, and the whole thing has already come in contact with the oxygen, the oxidation is already there. Oxidation has done outside our glass. How is it going to provide the oxidants? So it is not antioxidant, first thing. Secondly, it is bulk sugar. When we eat a whole fruit, we digest it with the saliva, because carbs are the thing which are gets digested with the saliva, because it has an enzyme which digests the carbs. But when we gulp, we take 3 to 4 oranges and we gulp it down in one go. So it's a fruit sugar. Body cannot recognize whether it's a sharbat, whether it is a juice, or whether it's a cold drink. It will release insulin to process it. And when the insulin spikes, you will be again hungry. It is moving in your system. You will be more hungry. You'll be eating again, right? And it will be leading to lifestyle disorders. And there will be no fiber. So हमारा झाड़ू का काम नहीं होगा. So I think that fruit juices are
Um,
one thing. There's one
uh,
more thing which I would like to add, which is like prevalent these days.
okay.
That is Greek yogurt or the sweet yogurt. People are like crazy
Hmm.
for the protein. So
Hmm.
if it is a processed thing, it is having added sugar and
Hmm.
added preservatives and added these thing flavors. I think you should not
Hmm.
the Greek yogurt
Absolutely.
also. So better
Absolutely.
is like का दही. ठीक है, आप
Hmm.
उसको जोड़ करके उसका water separate करके you can make it like a very hung curd
Hmm.
and you can use it as your thick curd.
Hmm.
So that would be like,
So,
you know,
so these food which are come up as a shocker for all of us, it's good to know about also
right.
the
Fruit
reality
juices,
behind it.
right. Fruit
Yes.
juices and avocado. Right.
Yeah. With this, doctor, I come to the last segment, and I would like you to please tell us about these myth busters. Carbs after 6 p.m. convert straight to fat.
No, ma'am. This is a myth. So people are worried, but definitely there is nothing like that after 6 p.m. body will convert this to fat, but it's equally important that it is the whole activity of the whole day or the calories of the whole day which count.
Okay.
सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि 6 o'clock के बाद आपका कार्ब्स है वो फैट बनने लग जाता है। फैट
Hmm.
हमेशा तभी बनेगा जब आप उसकी क्वांटिटी एक्सेस में खाते हैं, राइट?
Hmm.
जब आप उसको सही वे में नहीं खाते। हमने अच्छा डिस्कशन किया इसके ऊपर कि कार्ब्स को अगर हम प्रोटीन्स के साथ कंबाइन करके खाते हैं, तो वो
Hmm.
प्रोफाइल कंप्लीट हो जाता है। बट देयर इज़ वन थिंग कि हाँ, 6 पीएम के बाद आपको लाइटर खाने खाने चाहिए,
Okay.
बिकॉज़ द सिस्टम इज़ शटिंग डाउन। Right?
Hmm.
So your body is closing. If you provide it with heavy food, so हमारा जो digestive system रहता है वो resting mode में ज़्यादा अच्छे से काम करता है। लेकिन अगर आप resting mode में heavy खाना खा लेंगे, तो आपकी रिपेयर कैसे होगी? सोना भी है, सो आपका रिपेयर भी तो करना है ना बॉडी को, सो दैट विल नॉट हैपन।
Wonderful, wonderful. So these days, there's a lot of intermittent fasting is a great idea. What do you feel?
Intermittent fasting, it's not the newest thing, it has been the oldest thing, ma'am.
Hmm.
आपने
Hmm.
फास्ट के बाद व्रत, लंघन, ये आयुर्वेद की वर्ड्स हैं। सो अगेन ये इम्पोर्ट होके आए हैं इसलिए हमें अच्छे लग रहे हैं। राइट? हम लोग के इंडियन ट्रेडिशन में हमेशा 15 डेज़ में एक फास्ट रखा जाता है। एकादशी का व्रत रखते हैं लोग। राइट? या फिर है ना? या फिर कोई भी लोग मंडे का फास्ट रखते हैं वो, या फिर लोग रोज़े रखते हैं। सो दिस इज़ द फास्टिंग। फास्टिंग इज़ अ गुड थिंग बिकॉज़ इट क्रिएट्स ऑटोफेगी। दैट इज़ व्हेन योर सिस्टम ईट्स द टॉक्सिन्स बिकॉज़ इट इज़ रेस्टिंग। आपकी बॉडी को रेस्ट चाहिए। इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग इज़ डेफिनिटली हेल्पफुल, बट इफ देयर इज़ अ क्वेश्चन, if a person is very fragile, is a very old person, right, and is very low on nutrition, maybe an IBS patient, when they need a little bit of small meals, it is definitely according to your body. So you have to listen to your body first, whether this is, don't go after these fads, don't go after these what social media is promoting. First of all, always listen to your body. If you feel good with fasting, go ahead. If you feel that you are very low on energy, then please, this is not for you.
Nice. My last question to you. If someone feels completely lost and thinks they have already lost their metabolism, what in small wins they can aim for tomorrow to start feeling back in control?
राइट मैम, बहुत सारे आई हैव क्लाइंट्स इन माय क्लिनिक आल्सो, आई सी पीपल। आज सवेरे भी देयर वाज़ अ क्लाइंट का मैसेज कि आई डोंट फील लाइक सीइंग माय सेल्फ इन द मिरर। सो दे समटाइम्स दे फील कि अब मेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, राइट? आई एम ऑलरेडी 100 और वेरी ओबीज़। सो आई ऑलवेज़ से, I always tell them there is, you always have to begin. There is no wrong way to begin or no wrong timing to begin. You can include small baby steps, maybe including a bowl of daily salad in your diet, and making a to-do list that I have done salad. You can just right, put a tick at night that done it. Do it for 7 days, do it for 14 days. Gradually take baby steps. 10 minutes walk, 15 minutes walk. So if you're doing it daily for 21 days, I think with this thing, when you will say that you have achieved what you have targeted in a day, that can give you a little bit of, that can give you, of course, that you have a control on the things. So it will motivate you.
वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल। इन सच अ लेमैन लैंग्वेज आपने बहुत अच्छे से हमें समझा दिया, एंड आई एम श्योर I will be very careful about and mindful and watching what I'm eating and how is my behavior and everything.
Right.
Very nice thing that you've told us. Yes, WHO says that we have to be fit physically, mentally, and socially, but you added the spiritual angle to it. That's wonderful, wonderful. I'm sure many will benefit from our
In
conversation
this
today.
area of arena of war, people should be spiritually at least.
Yes, there is so much of disturbance going around.
Hatred, so much of
Absolutely,
hatred nowadays.
absolutely. Thank you so much, Dr. Sugita, for coming to the Star Talks. I'm so happy that you're here today. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much, ma'am, for giving me this invitation to be on your podcast. And I'm really hoping, अगर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि even if one person gets benefit from this thing, I'll be like honored.
एब्सोल्युटली। मेरा बहुत दफ़ा मन करा कि मैं नोट करूँ, फिर मुझे लगा मैं आपको
कोई
बार-बार
बात
देख सकती हूँ, सुन सकती हूँ
आपके पास
और
नहीं
फ़ॉलो कर
होगा।
सकती हूँ।
Right. Right.
Sure. Thank you for the valuable things that you've given to us. Thank you. Thank you
Okay.
so
Have a good day, ma'am. Bye.
much. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear audience, for being with us in this wonderful conversation today. I will come back with another personality who has inspired so many lives. Thank you. Take care. Stay healthy. Bye bye.